The Ocular Applications tool can be accessed by going into the main menu, choosing Physiology, and opening Ocular Applications. You can find more information in the how-to document Physiology, how to use Ocular Applications. The Ocular Applications feature will load with a full eye and optic nerve. Tapping on the Visibility menu will allow you to turn on other relevant bones, muscles, glands, as you would like. Tap on the optometry icon to open the optometry dialog. This will also load an eye and optic lines that will be adjusted depending on the settings you choose in the optometry window. The first tool is lens flexibility. Sliding this bar to the right will decrease flexibility, as happens when you age. When the accommodation button is enabled, as it is by default when you open the dialog, then eyesight will adjust with flexibility. If not, then only flexibility will adjust. The second tool is lens deformation. Sliding this bar to the right will thicken the lens, while sliding it to the left will thin it. This tool can only be moved when accommodation is disabled. The third tool is eyesight. Sliding this bar to the right will cause the optic lines to focus behind the retina and mimic farsightedness, while sliding it to the left will cause the optic lines to focus in front of the retina and mimic nearsightedness. The fourth tool is pupil dilation and constriction. Sliding this bar to the right will dilate the pupil, while sliding it to the left will constrict the pupil. The fifth tool is an astigmatism shape. Sliding this bar to the left or the right will add an astigmatism to the eye, as shown by these red optic lines. Sliding to the right will place the focal point behind the retina, while sliding to the left will place the focal point in front of the retina. The sixth tool is an astigmatism axis. Sliding this bar when an astigmatism is applied will adjust the angle of the astigmatism. The seventh tool is a distance tool. Sliding this bar to the right will mimic objects that are far away, while sliding it to the left will mimic objects that are close up. When accommodation is enabled, the eyesight and optic lines will adjust along with the distance tool. When accommodation is disabled, just the optic lines showing near or far will adjust. The glasses icon at the top will enable a glasses lens to turn on in front of the eye and alter the optic lines as real glasses would. This will also enable glass properties. The eighth icon is a glass adjustment. Sliding this bar to the right will make lenses more convex, while sliding it to the left will make them more concave. The lens can be adjusted in order to improve eyesight and focus the optic lines on the retina. The ninth icon is an astigmatism glass adjustment. When an astigmatism is turned on, sliding this bar will correct for eyesight by adjusting the astigmatism optic line to the back of the retina. The eye chart at the top will open up an eye chart, which will change from fuzzy to clear as other slider bars are adjusted. The four preset buttons at the bottom are pre-made presets with slider bar settings already applied. You can also save your own presets by using the normal 1, 2, 3, 4 preset menu. Tap on the Ocular Motions icon to access the Ocular Motions feature. This will pull up the eye and relevant muscles and a dialog with 3 different ocular motions: abduction and adduction, depression and elevation, and intorsion and extorsion. When a motion is selected, moving the slider bar to the left or right will show that movement. Tapping on the highlight muscles will show the antagonist to that motion in blue and the agonist in red. You can see the name of the motion being performed in the top corner.